Part 2. Me and Ellie are on a ghost train. Oh, bloody hell! Oh, Only joking, guys, it's not too bad. How are you doing there, Ellie?
You're back to me.
Eat that, Captain!
Get off my ship and don't come back.
Here comes the best bit, guys. Stormy time.
Story time.
It's not too bad, this ghost train, is it, Ellie?
No.
As you can see, part 2, guys, we're on the ghost train in Coral Island. Oh, it's gone dark. Oh, there we go. Sorry if you can't see us, guys. We're just going round corners now. Oh, it's got cold. Oh, I hope we're coming towards the end now. I think we are.
Here we are.
Well, that was the ghost train, guys.
Thank
Take
you for
care.
watching.
Thank you for watching. See you later.
You will dream.
Like he said.